Hi friends, my name is Saurabh Khandelwal. I am a diamond expert. I've been working in jewelry industry since 20 years. I've worked in manufacturing, wholesaling and retail sector. After watching these videos, you'll be in a better position to buy jewelry and understand what is jewelry and all the aspects of jewelry. So thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for available time. Do subscribe to my channel, do like my videos and share them. Thank you so much. Hello friends, I am Saurabh Khandelwal. I am a diamond expert. Many a times I encounter questions like why the gold gets tarnished or why the silver gets tarnished, why the color of gold has turned to black, blue or some other color, and similarly with silver. How we wear our jewelry and how we store our jewelry, that decides the span of our jewelry basically. Jewelry is made for generations. Usually when we buy jewelry, it passes on to our next generation and then from next generation to another generation. But this flow from one generation to another generation can only happen when the jewelry is preserved. The jewelry is properly stored, is properly taken care of while wearing. So in this video, we have created a standard set of procedures by knowing which you can make your jewelry live for generations. I hope you like the content given in the video. It's very basic, but it's very effective. Not just making them, but wearing jewelry is also an art. But if you wear them responsibly, if you take care of some small things, that jewelry is going to last forever. So let's understand what are those small things. Always double check your locks, especially when you're wearing necklaces, when you're wearing chain, and when you're wearing earrings. So you should always double check the locks. Always ask someone else to see that the lock has been secured or not. If you have a diamond ring or if you have a stone ring, always check the prongs that are holding the diamond or the prongs that are holding the stone. If any one of them is loose, don't wear that jewelry. Take it immediately to your jeweler and get it checked and get it repaired. That's what is most important is. Whenever you're wearing jewelry, you should never apply cream or any kind of gel. I suggest you apply your makeup first, then you wear your jewelry. So it is important that you double check your locks, never use any cream or any kind of gel on the jewelry. No sticky thing like oil, etc. Do not use any spray, do not use any perfume after wearing jewelry. Please clean your jewelry once a month. You can check my video on how to clean your jewelry, it's already on YouTube. Always make it sure that you are wearing your jewelry after your makeup is completely over. Whenever you are prepping up for a party or a marriage or anything else, first complete your makeup, then wear your jewelry. This thing will make sure that your jewelry never changes its color. Because whenever you use cream, spray, perfumes, gels or anything like that, it sticks onto your jewelry, and slowly by the time that cream, that gel or that oil will become black, and that in turn changes the color of your jewelry. So not just wearing jewelry is an art, but storing them. Storing your jewelry is even a bigger art, because how you store your jewelry will definitely will decide that it's going to pass on to your next generation and then to other generations. But how to store the jewelry? Simply use cellophane or ziplocs to store your jewelry. Especially for silver jewelry, I repeat, especially for silver jewelry, use silica gel. Just keep one silica gel pouch in one silver jewelry piece. Or you can keep entirely in one box in which you are storing silver. It is not advisable to store jewelry which has kundan work in it or which has stones work in it. Don't use silica gel in storing them. It is preferably for plain gold, or mostly it is preferable for silver jewelry, and they will not tarnish. And one more thing to remember, that never store jewelry in velvet boxes. So these velvet boxes are only for display purposes, only for showcasing purposes. Once your event is over, once your marriage is over, once your party is over, don't keep your jewelry in them. Never use velvet boxes for storing. So what you should use for storing is a plastic box or a wooden box or a metal box. Store your jewelry in these boxes and it is going to last forever. These are some safety tips which you should always remember. Use cellophanes or ziplocs for storing your jewelry. Just remember, never store two products together. Use separate cellophane, separate ziplocs for separate pieces. It is because gold jewelry or silver jewelry, they will scratch each other. Use silica gel for plain gold or plain silver or even diamonds. I am repeating again, don't use silica gel for kundan polki or for jewelry which has stones in it. But silica gels effectively works with silver, really work well with silver. Always use steel, wooden or plastic boxes because these boxes are air contained. They do not pass air from them, and secondly, they will not react with your jewelry. Never ever use cotton for storage. People usually I've seen use cotton for wrapping up their jewelry, but you should never use. You get entangled with your jewelry, and secondly, cotton can affect life of your stones. So never use cotton for storage. So this is it, my friends. I hope you like the content that we have discussed here. These simple tips will really help your jewelry go a longer way. If you like my videos, do like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Do remember to share them. I'm Saurabh A.Khandelwal. I'm a diamond expert. Thank you for your valuable time. Have a great day.